So we're cooking up more sugar syrup today. We start by bringing to a boil basically 8 cups of water, to which we're going to add 16 cups of sugar, which means we need a couple of 50-pound bags. Now we'll be storing the finished mixture in a 5-gallon bucket. Here we have added our 16 cups of sugar to our 8 cups of water. And now we're going to stir and continue heating until this mixture gets clear, until you can see that the sugar is totally dissolved. At that point in time, we can move that into the finished product bucket and start another batch. We can now see to the bottom of the pan, which means the sugar is totally dissolved. So we turn the burner off now and we let it cool for a little bit before we put it into the bucket, because the bucket is, after all, plastic. And you don't want to dissolve any plastics into it, although these buckets are food safe. You still just want to avoid putting something that's boiling hot into a plastic bucket. Anything left over, you'll have plenty of help cleaning out. So if there's residue in the pan, don't worry about it. Just set it back next to the hives and well, a lot of helpers will come around to take care of the final cleanup.